And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to create a basic split screen effect in Premiere Pro. I've got this video footage right here, 2 clips. You will find them via the description link below. I'll unlink them. So right click unlink and I get rid of the audio file as we don't need it. Let me adjust the length so that both clips have the same duration. So this is my top and this is my bottom clip. I can make that visible and invisible with the eye icon. Then go to effects, type in crop, and under video effects transition you will find the crop effect. Drag and drop it on both of your video files. Now we will work with the top one first, which is this footage of the river with the bridge. And I'll go to 50% left, that looks good. And now I'll make it invisible with the eye icon and I'll go to the bottom clip. And I'll add 50% right. But that doesn't look so good as we want to have the person in the clip, so let me go to 35%, maybe even lower, 30%, and now it looks better, but we have to have a 50% clip size, so I have to add 20% cropping on the left and then reposition our clip up here where it says position, and then I'll use the arrow keys for fine tuning. And now that looks good. Let me make the other clip visible again, and now we have our basic split screen. Let me roll the clip. And you can see the top clip on the right and the bottom clip on the left. They are now running smoothly. We can add another element, go to File, New, and create a legacy title. Make sure width and height are the same as your footage and then click on OK. But let us give us first this file a new name, which is middle line. And we will use the line tool to create a simple line. Just drag one and then hold shift so that it automatically snaps to 0 degrees. And we will center it right here so that it is perfectly in the middle. And we can close that window now. And then drag and drop our middle line file in our timeline. Adjust the size, and here it is. And this is how easy you can create a split screen effect in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.